woodpeckers. It's kind of silly to think about when you say it like that, but since I've been doing my research out here, this is a high traffic area for humans. Within the last 15 minutes, I've seen someone go by on a bike, and it's not unusual to see multiple hikers and bikers out here. Not tromping maybe 25 yards away from where I've found sign of Sasquatch has been. Now, there's a lot of people who talk about how Squatch is totally nocturnal. I believe they have their time when they are, but I don't think they are always nocturnal. And I'll tell you why. Because I've heard their wood knocks in the mornings, in the afternoon, in the evening. Now, these wood knocks have a distinct pattern to them. It sounds like somebody hammering a nail in a plywood, or first thing I thought of, first time I actually heard wood knock, is like, if you ever put up fence, there's a lot of people who have not. But the sound of that hammer hammering that staple into that post, there's a pow, 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 pow. It sounds like somebody hammering a nail. Let's say plywood. We'll go with plywood, okay? But a fence post was the first thing that comes to my mind, but we'll go with plywood. That's the most common thing. Probably everybody has had some type of interaction with plywood. Some, not all woodpeckers, the large red-headed ones, they can be very aggressive when they're hitting a tree, and they can form a pattern in amongst themselves. But it's different. You can tell it's not a hammer and a nail. It's a blunt object striking wood. I mean, you can tell, right? But there's been a couple of times when I've heard wood knocks in amongst a woodpecker hitting a tree. Are they trying to use the woodpecker to mask their wood knocks because there's a lot of people around? Maybe. You know, it's just a theory. Okay, it's just a theory. A cockeyed theory at that. But what if they are? And people would sit back and say, why would they feel the need to do that? Well, goddamn, if they're as smart as a lot of people say they are, and I believe they are, why wouldn't they? If that's how they communicate, and then they know a lot of people are around, why wouldn't they? Why wouldn't they try to hide their signaling process? It's like using a cipher, you know. They have a code. But anyway, it's just a theory. I could be absolutely off base with that. It's something I've been thinking about, and I'm probably going to try and delve into just to see if it's right or not. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'll give it another couple of weeks and see what happens. I'll try and get back with you on that. And if it's just bullshit, it's bullshit. I'll try to figure it out. I just think it's interesting. Another question to ponder. You know, forest people have been here, so they live in close proximity and they do their thing. And I do not believe they're here all the time. I do believe that Sasquatch possibly hides their wood knocks. They're not extremely overly loud. And first of all, if you're living in close proximity to people you do not want to have interaction with, are you going to let them know you're there? Come on, man. No, you're not. I've said it before, most people don't give a shit. They're out here living their life. They've got their blinders on and walking around in their bubble, and that's that. The world around them, there's no consequence for them. Right? They have no reason to pay attention to anything else around them. But Squatch don't know that, because you got people like me poking and prodding around, and they think, who else is out here? So let's just keep it on the DL. Sasquatch hiding their or masking their wood knocks. Like I said, I'm going to try and get back into it and see what I can find out. It'd probably take me a while. Just listening, get the sounds. But I'm going to leave it out here and let you hear for yourself. Wood knocks versus woodpeckers. It was last year I had that. I don't know what the hell it was, thrown in my general direction. That was the last time I was really in the woods. That was the last time I went off the beaten path. That was, that was enough for me. That was enough for me. It's taken me a while to get my courage back up and get back out here and do it again. It's like, I got a little too close and they let me know it. All right, now, could it have been a limb just completely falling out of a tree? It could have been, but I just think it was too coincidental. After me following the wood knocks up to that point, just sitting down and waiting, and all of a sudden, woof! Just what the hell? And I think it was like 2 days later, I went back up in there and tried to find what made that racket, because something like that is going to cause some type of disturbance on the ground. Okay, pushing leaves and dirt out of the way is going to cause some type of scarring on some type of any type of flora around you. So I saw nothing, not a damn thing. So, but I'm slowly been trying to get my courage back up and keep my health to where I can actually get out here to do something, because I don't know. My wife said, "You're only 49." I said, "Well, it's not the age, it's the mileage." And she goes, "Well, you're in for a bumpy ride then." I guess so. But yeah, woodknocks and woodpeckers. Woodknocks and woodpeckers. We'll see. So next time, we'll see you later.